So today's topic is that how does your first 1,000 days of your business looks like, especially the first 3 years time? Because I have seen a lot. I'm dealing with a lot of startup companies and contact centers, and I have seen frequent questions that how when will they get the clients? I'm at San Francisco Airport and I'm heading to Las Vegas to attend one contact center expo. So I'm so sorry about those sort of interruptions in between. But anyways, coming back to the topic. So the first 1,000 days of business, which were very important, the first 3 years of time, what I have seen, any entrepreneur, any startup company owner, they go through a completely different thought process, and it's a roller coaster ride, I can say. The first year, what I have seen is mostly the startup entrepreneurs and business owners. They're excited. They're absolutely excited about what they're doing. They're running here and there. They're meeting the chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers. They're registering the company. They're meeting a lot of consultants. Maybe if you have partners on board, then you're having frequent meetings about deciding the strategies and planning and everything. So the first year is full of excitement and planning, so many things. The first year usually is also utilized to create your brand awareness, digital marketing, content marketing, designing stuff, promoting it, maybe attending conferences. So this is how typically the first year goes. In 95% of the businesses, they don't even get immediate clients or the revenue in the first year, if not done properly. So it starts affecting in the second year. The second year looks like very stressful, because if you still have not received any inquiries, or if you don't have any direct clients on board, if you have not started getting the payments in time, then second year is a little stressful in terms of finances. So it starts showing up on your financial records, your balance sheets, your bank accounts, and then ultimately it starts adding a lot of stress to you. Maybe you have hired employees, you have already got office, you have a recurring cost going on, and then you're not getting the revenue in the business. So this could be the second year how it looks like. And the third year, if there are very few businesses, first of all, they cross this 2 years time. Many businesses, they will die within the first year. Very few people, very few businesses, they will go through the second year. And then finally, the business which get through the second year, in the third year, they will actually start experiencing potential clients inquiries, people who are interested in the business, they're asking for services, they're asking for proposals, then you send them the agreements for signatures. So the third year, by end of third year, you actually start getting a good revenue to start meeting the break even of the business. So I keep saying all the time that in the initial days, if you keep your business costs down and if you just focus on client acquisition, business, the digital marketing, content marketing, brand promotions, that's going to help you a lot to meet your break even sooner than waiting for the 3 years time. So the sooner you actually focus on, all those client acquisition activities, the earlier you will get, the clients on board and the revenue on board. Let me know down in comments how many years you have completed successfully, how many employees does your contact center has. Have you completed all 3 years? Share your experiences, because that's also going to help other businesses as well. So share your experiences with me. In case if you have any questions, you can also put that in comments. If there's interesting questions for our industry, I'll be filming a separate video on that topic, which will be helpful for our business community. By the way, I'm heading to Las Vegas to attend one industry expo, the contact center expo, and a few meetings. So keep watching my videos. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, share these videos to at least a couple of people in our industry so they also get benefited. Don't keep this knowledge only to you. Hey guys, I have reached San Francisco. Super excited. Just going for the next flight now. Got through all the customs and immigration, and next flight is in next 2 hours. It's been now 48 hours since I have left my home. Went to Dubai, stayed there for one day, and now here in San Francisco. So super excited. Just one day left, and after that I will be having a contact center expo in Las Vegas. So keep watching videos.